This is the Blender Basics lesson, and in this lesson we're going to cover how to navigate around Blender, how to make a shape, how to color a shape, and then at the end, how to build a Minecraft character. Before we go any further, we're going to reset Blender's default preferences. To do that, you come up to Edit, which is in the top left-hand corner of the software, and you select Preferences at the bottom of the menu. In Preferences, you should be able to see 3 lines in the bottom left corner. And when you click on them, you've got an option that says Load Factory Preferences. Select that and then click on it again to say OK. That will just return all of Blender's settings back to default, and it should prevent any confusion that might occur if you happen to have some custom settings that aren't the same as my current settings.